Ministry of Science and Technology now. And as I mentioned, because the government is being also, ministry is being also restructured, because we have like currently 25 ministries, and that will be reduced to 18 ministries. So I do not know within the restructuring of the ministries also where this Ministry of Science and Technology will go. And I heard it was in Myanmar, I think, had a similar case, because they had a separate Ministry of Science and Technology, and then yesterday there was a question that why the Ministry of Education is a focal point. So, but we also will arrange for that and in an appropriate way. So, but it is, I am just sharing with you because we are very much in a very crucial phase of the transition and restructuring of the governance system. I say we have local governments now. Another point is how much and to what extent, because the local governments also are very powerful now. It is now not like in previous way. We call it local governments, like at municipal level, town level. We call rural municipalities and metropolitan cities. We have local governments, and they have a statutory power under the Constitution. So we have like a federal power, provincial power, local government power. So, and that we have to mobilize because, and we have to get their help within their own competency. I mean, now it's not like unitary system that you can just give the instruction from the center and they do it, because they are very constitutional power. So now, so they are the very powerful bodies. We have local level. So we have to get also there how we can involve them at the like entry and exit point. And industries are at the local level basically. So this way. And then I say perhaps in order to concretize the idea, we are thinking of establishing a kind of an ad hoc working group or task force, as you have also mentioned in the paper. It will be easier for us to work through in a very focused manner. So we like this one. So we are thinking of whether we can form an ad hoc working group comprising the representatives of the relevant ministries and agencies. Perhaps it might take, because it will be done only through the new government. So new government will come into like in 3-4 months time. So I think because this, I am prepared this according to your question, right? So not today's matrix, but based on the yesterday's question you had circulated number 1 to 6. So we have just prepared in response to those questions. So legislative process, you said, organizing meeting of the National Treaty, number 1, we'll do that. And consultation with multi-stakeholders, business and industries. And briefing to higher authorities with emphasis on importance of new legislation. Perhaps once we'll have new ministers, once we'll have new deputy ministers, then we'll brief them about the situation, our obligations and new content of the chemical convention. They will require some briefings on that. So 3-stage process, making the law in Nepal. I have mentioned in my previous first day presentation. I think I don't need to repeat again that I said in the legislation